Hello, my name is Melody Hamburger, and I'm a second-year student at the Institut Paul Bocuse. Since you are joining our Institute family, your image is of crucial importance. Today, we have Cécile Teyssier, beauty specialist, who will show you some makeup tips and tricks for your time here.
Hello Melody, hello everyone. Today we are going to see the fundamental step-by-step of facial care routine and makeup. Don't be afraid, you will understand everything, and with a little bit of practice, this technique will be done automatically. Your classmate Marie will show you step-by-step how to do it. First step, remove makeup. Never skip the makeup removal. It's very important to have a healthy skin. Use an oil or cleansing milk that rinses off with water. Massage all over the face, even the eyes, then rinse with warm water, paying special attention to the eyelashes. To be done every night. Step 2, clean up. With a mild foaming, rinse off cleanser or micellar water and cotton like this, every morning and evening. Step 3, moisturizing. Apply a hydrola, floral water and/or a moisturizing face serum adapted to your skin. Universal moisturizer, for example, rose water or chamomile. Step 4, protect. Apply a skincare cream in the morning and in the evening adapted to your skin type. Be careful, never use a rich texture for oily or combination skin. Choose products for dehydrated skin. Having clean hands is very important for hygiene and image. Cut and file your nails regularly. Clean the underside of the nails with a nail brush and soap. Cream every day with a hand cream. Almond nails are allowed on duty and not allowed in the kitchen. Long nails and bright nail polish are not allowed. Nude nail polish base and colors are allowed. First step, base. Always use a base primer to protect your skin and fix makeup on the surface. Apply a small dab to the entire face. Step 2, complexion. Unify your complexion with a foundation or tinted moisturizing cream. Use a sponge or finger if light coverage is required. Always use a small amount of material and stretch well, starting on the outside of the face. Step 3, correction. Apply a little concealer with a brush, tap the product with your finger. Use a button corrector locally if needed. Same technique. Step 4, powder. With the puff, pat the whole face, especially when making correction to fix them. Finish with blush on the cheeks. Step 5, eyes and lips. Use a discreetly colored cream stick eyeshadow, example peach or pink nude. Apply a mascara. As a final touch, moisturize your lips with a natural or lightly tinted lip balm. Voila, you have everything you need to achieve a fresh and chic makeup.
Thank you very much, Cécile. As you guys can see, it's not too complicated, but don't worry, you can watch the sequence as many times as you need to on the Campus TV channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody. See you soon. Bye bye.